I almost lost my Iman after my divorce. Salam alaikum, sister. I need to tell you a truth few dare to say out loud. After my divorce, I stood on the edge of a spiritual cliff. My prayers felt empty, like whispered words into a void. Opening the Quran, I found no comfort, only words that seemed meant for someone with a whole heart. The command to seek help through patience and prayer felt like a cruel joke when my own prayers seemed to shatter before they even left my lips. If you are holding this secret inside, if your faith feels brittle and your connection to Allah seems like a dead line, know this: you are not faithless. You are in a state of profound spiritual injury, and the Quran itself holds the blueprint for your healing. Share this privately with someone who fears their faith is crumbling. This pain is a deep isolation. In Surah Ar-Raid, Allah says, "Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah hearts are assured." But what if your heart feels anything but assured? This contradiction can make you feel broken beyond repair. But the Quran does not abandon you in this feeling. In Surah Az-Zumar, Allah reassures, "Do not despair of the mercy of Allah." This is a direct address to the heart that feels abandoned. Your feeling of distance is not a sign of His absence, but a reflection of a wound that needs the specific medicine the Quran describes. When you are in trauma, your heart is in a state of constriction. The Quran speaks of hearts that are hardened, sealed, rusted. These are not condemnations, but diagnoses of a spiritual condition that requires treatment. The solution is not to force more worship from a place of emptiness. The solution is to apply the Quranic remedies for the wounded heart. You must approach Him through the doors He Himself has opened, the doors of mercy, compassion, and gradual return. This is the core of the spiritual restoration in the 10-day mental health boost for divorced Muslim moms. We use the Quran as your guidebook for healing, not as a measure of your failure. Inside the guide, you receive the Quranic Heart Reset. This includes focused passages from Surah Ad-Duha, revealed to comfort the Prophet in a time of deep distress, reminding you that, "And surely the hereafter is better for you than the present." You will work with verses from Surah Ash-Shar, "For indeed, with hardship comes ease. Indeed, with hardship comes ease." The repetition is your divine promise. We pair these with a practical Salah Sanctuary method, where you learn to prepare your heart with a specific, short verse before prayer, transforming it from an obligation into a true meeting with Ar-Rahman, the most compassionate. Allah names Himself Al-Ghafar, the all-forgiving, Al-Jabbar, the restorer of hearts. Your journey back is to approach Him through these names. This guide provides the structured, gentle path to do exactly that. The investment to reignite this essential connection, to move from feeling forsaken to feeling embraced by divine mercy, is $49.99. Consider the spiritual cost of remaining in this desert of doubt. This investment is your provision for the journey back to certainty and heart peace. Your return begins with a single, merciful step. Step 1. Accept that your feeling is a sign to seek healing, not a final verdict. Pause this video.